Welcome to our channel. MetaMask connection and transaction errors can prevent you from using decentralized apps, but these fixes will help. Step 1. Check that you're using a compatible web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Brave, as MetaMask works best on these browsers. Step 2. Click the MetaMask extension icon and ensure you're connected to the correct blockchain network for the dApp you're trying to use. Step 3. Refresh the web page and reconnect MetaMask by clicking Connect Wallet and selecting MetaMask from the wallet options. Step 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser to eliminate any corrupted temporary data. Step 5. Update the MetaMask extension to the latest version by visiting your browser's extension store. Step 6. Reset your account in MetaMask settings if transactions are stuck, which clears pending transactions without affecting your assets. Step 7. Verify you have sufficient ETH or the native token for gas fees to complete your transaction on the network. Step 8. Try increasing the gas fee or gas limit for pending transactions, especially during periods of high network congestion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.